What is a personal injury release? Negotiating a personal injury settlement in Colorado involves a crucial step, dealing with the insurance company. The key document in this process is the personal injury release form, commonly known as a release of liability waiver. This form becomes relevant once a settlement agreement is reached. Before you sign the release, it is vital to consult with a personal injury attorney. If the settlement is less than you deserve but you sign off anyway, you cannot reopen your case or request a higher amount, even if you discover that your injuries are worth more than you initially thought. The significance of legal counsel before signing. Embarking on the journey of a personal injury settlement in Colorado necessitates a nuanced understanding of the negotiation process with insurance companies. At the heart of this intricate process lies the pivotal document, the personal injury release form, often referred to as a release of liability waiver. Before putting pen to paper on the release form, it is imperative to seek the guidance of an experienced personal injury attorney. The gravity of this decision cannot be overstated. Once you agree to a settlement and sign the release, there is no turning back. Even if you later discover that your injuries were undervalued, the signed release prevents any reopening of the case or pursuit of a higher compensation. A closer look at the release of liability waiver. A personal injury case unfolds as a legal tussle between the injured party, plaintiff, and the allegedly negligent party, defendant. The negotiation process, involving legal representatives from both sides, culminates in a settlement, a mutually agreed sum to bring closure to the dispute. As the name implies, a personal injury release acts as a legal instrument absolving the defendant from any further liability concerning the victim's injuries. Post-signing, the victim is legally barred from pursuing additional compensation or filing future claims against the same defendant for the same incident. This permanent closure is formalized with the issuance of the settlement check. Should you sign the release form? The decision to sign the release form is a momentous one, necessitating thoughtful consideration, ideally with the guidance of legal counsel. Once this document is signed, it transforms into a binding agreement, closing the door on any renegotiation of the settlement. The plaintiff loses the right to sue the defendant for additional liability. Before signing a personal injury claim release, you should speak with an experienced accident attorney to make sure the agreement is fair and the release language fits the terms of the agreement. Strategies for navigating interactions with insurance claims adjusters. Understanding the role of an insurance claims adjuster is pivotal in the intricate dance of negotiations. These individuals assess claims to determine eligibility for compensation, but it's vital to remember they operate on behalf of the insurance company. Their primary goal is to save the insurer money, not to secure the maximum compensation for the claimant. If navigating discussions with an adjuster independently seems daunting, enlisting the support of a seasoned attorney in Colorado is a prudent move. When engaging with adjusters, caution is the watchword. Revealing too much information should be avoided. Responses should be concise. Refrain from admitting fault for the accident, and discussions about injuries should be deferred until after a comprehensive medical evaluation. Most crucially, a red flag should be raised when presented with any documents from the insurance company, particularly those pertaining to personal injury release waivers. Instead of signing hastily, these documents should be taken to a local attorney for a meticulous case review. After you've signed the release. Once a personal injury release form has been signed, it transforms into a legally binding agreement. This irrevocable commitment means the settlement cannot be reopened, and the defendant is shielded from further legal action. Barring exceptional circumstances, such as clerical errors or significant misrepresentations during the case, a plaintiff is unable to reopen a closed personal injury case. Even if injuries worsen over time, the signed release extinguishes the right to hold the defendant accountable for additional damages. This underscores the critical importance of consulting with a legal professional before taking the irreversible step of signing a release form. Navigating the complex terrain. In the intricate landscape of personal injury settlements in Colorado, understanding the intricacies of the personal injury release form is paramount. Armed with the knowledge of its implications, claimants can make informed decisions, safeguarding their rights and ensuring just compensation. From seeking legal counsel before signing to navigating the nuances of interactions with insurance claims adjusters, this comprehensive guide equips individuals with the tools to traverse the complex terrain of personal injury settlements successfully. Contact Front Range Injury Attorneys to speak with an attorney about your claim to make sure you receive fair compensation for your case.